Witch hazel is a deciduous shrub native to North America, found widely in the eastern United States from Nova Scotia down to Florida and stretching to Texas. It thrives in damp woodlands and along streams, preferring well-drained soils rich in organic material. Witch hazel typically grows to about 15 to 20 feet in height, though it can occasionally reach up to 30 feet under optimal conditions. Identification. The witch hazel plant is recognizable by its unique, spidery yellow flowers, which bloom in the late fall or early winter, making it one of the few plants that flower during this season. Its leaves are broad and oval-shaped, with wavy, uneven edges, and turn a vibrant yellow in the fall. The bark is smooth and grey-brown, often with a slightly mottled appearance. Edible parts. While not commonly consumed, the nut-like seeds of witch hazel are edible when fully ripe. However, they are small and not typically harvested for food due to their minimal yield and hard, woody capsule. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine before trying anything new. The most commonly used medicinal parts of witch hazel are the leaves and bark, from which extracts are derived. These extracts are rich in tannins and flavonoids, contributing to their therapeutic properties. Skin care and astringent properties. Witch hazel is renowned for its astringent qualities, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products. It helps tighten the skin, reduce oiliness, and clear up acne while soothing sensitive areas. Anti-inflammatory and skin soothing. The plant's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for treating sunburns, bug bites, and other minor skin irritations. It can reduce swelling and redness effectively. Sore muscles. Applying witch hazel externally can help ease the pain of sore muscles or inflamed joints due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Colds and coughs. When used in steams or inhalants, witch hazel can help soothe a sore throat and alleviate symptoms of colds and coughs. Stops bleeding. The tannins present in witch hazel make it useful for stopping minor bleeding on cuts and abrasions. Hemorrhoids and itching. Its ability to reduce swelling and calm irritation makes witch hazel a common remedy for hemorrhoids and general itching. Interesting fact: an intriguing use of witch hazel is in the practice of dowsing or divining for water sources. A forked branch of witch hazel is traditionally used by some as a divining rod, believed to bend or twitch in the dowser's hands when over a source of water. Harvesting. Witch hazel is typically harvested in the late fall or early winter when the plant is dormant. The leaves and bark are collected and dried. The leaves can be used fresh, but the bark needs to be processed and often steamed or simmered to extract its active constituents. Witch hazel remains a staple in herbal medicine cabinets due to its versatile and gentle nature. Its ability to treat a wide array of skin conditions, ease discomfort, and even participate in age-old water-finding techniques cements its status as a valuable plant in both traditional and modern practices. Its cultivation and use in home remedies highlight the ongoing importance of this unique plant in herbal medicine.